Good morning, everyone. Good to see you here again. I provide my best wishes for you, your families, and all your colleagues in the media houses out there for this hopefully and certainly stunning and thrilling new year. The GLA is the new family member, the newest. Convenience, safety, efficiency is key here in that model, and it will hit the showrooms in spring this year. It has a very typical and iconic design with very reduced lines, so it's sleek, it's reduced. It has the sportiest face of all compact cars, which is not AMG version only. At the same time, a very economical drivetrain. The air resistance coefficient is only 0.28, which was a record in the history, in the industry a few years ago. Now we have it for a compact SUV. We are very proud of it. It is taller, 10 centimeters higher, which is highly appreciated by the customer, but it's shorter, so it makes good use of the public space, 1.5 centimeter less. It's more headroom in the front and more leg room in the rear, and our customers will appreciate it. So there's more space with more compact dimensions. It's actually a very big achievement by our designers and engineers that was possible. There's an option you can move the rear bench up to 14 centimeters. Of course, there are foldable backrests, and the load capacity of that vehicle is from 435 to 1,430 liters in a compact SUV, which is great. The interior, of course, is shaped mainly by the MBUX, the iconic Mercedes-Benz machine-human interface. We had such a big success with the introduction last year at the Brussels Moter Show that we have even 2 demonstrators here today on our booth, and we are very happy. This is a very good companion on the road together with Mercedes Me. And there is one new feature I don't want to explain, you have to experience it yourself. Tiny thing, this is the car wash assistant in the GLA, so we are moving also further in these things. But this is not the overall, of course, the most important item. We have active and passive safety issues. The full package of driving systems is available. The car, for instance, slows down for curves. There's an automatic slowdown for traffic jams, even if you don't recognize as a driver yet, because it has, of course, live traffic. And of course, there's the active brake assist up to full stop. As it is an urban vehicle as well, we took a huge look at customers' pedestrian safety. It detects a crosswalk, it detects a person crossing, it detects even a person which intends to cross the road, which is then another step forward in terms of security, and it warns the driver in such a situation. It's the latest generation of 4-cylinder petrol and diesel engines. The power ranges from 85 to 165 kilowatts, so for each and every taste and need there is the right engine available. And we really combined specific outputs and improved efficiency and emissions. The 3rd generation plug-in hybrids, also in that vehicle, is around the corner. It's in the pipeline. The EV range of this version will be up to 70 kilometers. And the EQA battery electric will hit, the plug-in hybrid will hit the market, the showrooms in next year. And the battery electric groundbreaking EQA, the first compact Mercedes with full electric propulsion, as I said, will come later on this year. So in total, we have a vehicle with the GLA which fulfills all the needs from urban mobility, from a very safe and convenient drive on the road, but also enables you to reach your faraway summer house somewhere in the countryside. Of course, the GLA 35 4MATIC AMG is also around the corner with the radiator grille, which is the face of all our AMG versions in that segment. We have the 2.0-liter 4-cylinder turbo engine with 306 horsepower, an 8-speed dual clutch transmission, standard race start if you want so, and the all-wheel drive, of course, on board. And now I can only ask you to discover the new GLA. It's compact and spacious, safe and intelligent, efficient and sporty, and this car will hit the market spring of this year. But you are, of course, cordially invited to discover it already now. and gentlemen, the new Mercedes GLA.